This video includes a demonstration of how to replace the control panel on Napoleon's REQ365 electric grill. To begin, unplug the 240-volt power cord from the junction box to ensure no power is going to the grill. Move to the front of the grill and open the door. This will allow you to locate the bolts underneath the control panel on either side. Remove the forwardmost bolts, which secure the control panel to the grill. When removing the control panel bolt from the left-hand side, the low-voltage wire harness cover will also be removed. Now open the lid of the grill and carefully lift the control panel to free it from the grill. From here, the low-voltage wire harness and the on-off switch will need to be disconnected from the control panel. Place the control panel on a non-abrasive surface to prevent scratches. Then you will need to remove the control knobs. With both knobs removed, locate the screws on either side of both bezels and remove them. Turn your attention to the back of the control panel and carefully remove the low-voltage assembly. There are two cables on the back that connect the low-voltage assembly to the bezels. These will need to be disconnected to free the low-voltage assembly. If being replaced, this can be discarded the same way any electronics would. When installing a new low-voltage assembly, ensure to reconnect the cables to the back of both bezels. The low-voltage assembly can then be placed onto the control panel. It can be secured through the bezels, and the control knobs can be reinstalled. Locate the low-voltage wire harness on the grill and familiarize yourself with the pin locations. Reconnect the on-off switch and low-voltage wire harness to the left-hand side of the control panel. Once connected correctly, the control panel can be carefully set back onto the grill, starting with the top and resting it downward. With the control panel in place, it can then be re-secured to the grill. Ensure to reinstall the low-voltage wire harness cover on the left-hand side. Now plug the grill back in and test its functionality to ensure it operates as intended before leaving it with your customer. Find this video helpful? Subscribe to the Wolf Steel technical page for more installation and troubleshooting videos.